Hello kids, the topic which we are going to discuss today is harmonic progression or HP. Harmonic progression. A sequence of non-zero numbers A1, A2, A3, etc. An is said to be in harmonic progression if their reciprocals 1 by A1, 1 by A2, etc. 1 by An are in arithmetic progression. A1, A2, etc. An is said to be in HP if their reciprocals are in arithmetic progression. For example, consider the sequence 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, etc. Are they in harmonic progression? How do we check? Let us take the reciprocal of the terms. Reciprocal of 1 by 3, 3, then 5, 7, etc. Can see that the sequence 3, 5, 7, etc. are in arithmetic progression with common difference 2. Therefore, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, etc. are in harmonic progression. Let us check how to find the nth term of this harmonic progression. A1, A2, etc. are in HP, their reciprocals are in AP. Let D be the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Common difference D of the arithmetic progression is 1 by A2 minus 1 by A1. Then An of the harmonic progression is given by 1 by A1 plus n minus 1 into D, where D is the common difference of the arithmetic progression, which we can write it as 1 by A1 plus n minus 1 into, let's replace D by this value, 1 by A2 minus 1 by A1. So nth term of harmonic progression A1, A2, A3, etc. An is given by An equal to, it is the reciprocal of the nth term of this arithmetic progression, 1 by A1 plus n minus 1 into D, and this D is common difference of the arithmetic progression. Suppose we want to find nth term from the end, nth term from end of this harmonic progression. From end of harmonic progression, let's denote it by An dash. It's equal to nth term from end. Look, it's given by 1 by An plus n minus 1 into minus D. If you have to find a particular term from the end, we reverse the series. When you reverse the series, first term, we take it as 1 by An, and what will be the common difference? Common difference will be minus D. So nth term from end of the harmonic progression is 1 divided by 1 by An plus n minus 1 into minus D. Let's see how to find the harmonic mean between two numbers. Harmonic mean. Suppose three numbers A, B, C are in harmonic progression. Then this number B is called the harmonic mean between A and C. Between A and C. If A, B, C are in harmonic progression, then B is called the harmonic between A and C. Let's see what's the relation between these numbers. If A, B, C are in HP, then we know 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in arithmetic progression. Now apply the condition, twice the middle term equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C, or we can write B, the harmonic mean is given by 2 divided by 1 by A plus 1 by C, or after simplification you get 2AC divided by A plus C. If A, B, C are in HP, B is the harmonic mean, and harmonic mean B is given by 2AC divided by A plus C. Is that clear? Now, suppose you are given A1, A2, A3, etc. An positive terms. and let h be the harmonic mean between these numbers. H, the harmonic mean, is given by, look, harmonic mean of two numbers is given by 2 divided by 1 by a plus 1 by c. So in place of two numbers, we have n numbers here. So h is given by the formula n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 plus etc. plus 1 by an. In the case of n numbers, h is n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 etc. 1 by an. Insertion of harmonic mean. Two numbers a and b are given and we are going to insert n harmonic means between these two numbers. Let h1, h2 etc. hn be the harmonic means. Then these harmonic means together with AB, they form a harmonic progression. If these terms are in harmonic progression, then their reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2 etc. 1 by Hn, 1 by B are in arithmetic progression. The common difference D of the arithmetic progression is given by 1 by B minus 1 by A divided by n plus 1, 1 more than the number of means inserted. Now, how to find H1? These terms are in arithmetic progression. So, 1 by H1 is given by 1 by A plus D, which is equal to 1 by A plus, put this value of D, that is 1 by B minus 1 by A divided by n plus 1. Similarly, 1 by H2 equal to 1 by A plus 2D etc. 1 by Hn equal to 1 by A plus n times D. We can find all the n harmonic means. Consider this sequence now. 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2 etc. 1 by Hn, 1 by B, they are in arithmetic progression, and we have seen that in an arithmetic progression, sum of all the n arithmetic means equal to n times the single arithmetic means between these numbers. I am going to apply that property. So here 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 plus etc. 1 by Hn, sum of n means equal to n times the single arithmetic mean between 1 by A and 1 by B. Is that clear? We can simplify it like this: n by 2 into, it is A plus B divided by AB, or n times 1 divided by 2AB divided by A plus B, or n times 1 by the single harmonic mean between A and B. So what's the result? If we are inserting n harmonic means H1, H2 etc. Hn between two numbers A and B, then sum of the reciprocals of these harmonic means equal to n times the reciprocal of single harmonic mean between A and B. Let us discuss a simple question of this topic, insertion of harmonic mean. Suppose you are given two numbers 2 by 3 and 2 by 13. You have to insert 4 harmonic means between these two numbers 2 by 3 and 2 by 13. Let's see how to do it. The numbers given 2 by 3 and 4 harmonic means, let us take H1, H2, H3, H4. Then the number 2 by 13. Together these, they form a harmonic progression. Take the reciprocal: 3 by 2, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by H3, 1 by H4, 13 by 2, they are in arithmetic progression. Let us find common difference of this arithmetic progression. B minus A divided by n plus 1, 13 by 2, final minus initial, that is 3 by 2. We are inserting 4 arithmetic means, so n plus 1, 4 plus 1. Simplify this to get the common difference D of the arithmetic progression as 1. Let's find the first mean, first harmonic mean. It's given by 1 by h1 equal to 3 by 2 plus D, 3 by 2 plus D is 1. Simplify, what do we get? 1 by h1 is given by 5 by 2. This implies h1 equal to 2 by 5. Similarly, 1 by h2, 3 by 2 plus 2D, which is 3 by 2 plus 2. Simplify to get h2 as 2 by 7. Similarly, you find out the values of h3 and h4. Check your answer. h3 you should get as 2 by 9 and h4 should be 2 by 11. Do the calculation and check whether you are getting these answers or not. Let us discuss some of the solved examples. First solved example, the module question is written on the board. Read the question once. A1, A2, A3, etc. A10 are in AP and H1 to H10 are in harmonic progression. You are given the first term and the last term of both the progressions. You have to calculate A4 into H7. A1, A2, etc. A10 are in arithmetic progression. A1 is given to be 2, A10 is given as 3. A10 equal to A1 plus 9D, put the values 3 equal to 2 plus 9D gives you D equal to 1 by 9. D equal to 1 by 9. We need to find the value of A4. A4 equal to A1 plus 3D, which is 2 plus A1 is 2, 3 times 1 by 9, 2 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 7 by 3. So, we got the value of A4. A4 is 7 divided by 3. Now, we need to find the value of H7. For that, we are given the sequence H1, H2, etc. H10. They are in harmonic progression where H1 is 2, H10 is 3. Can you say the sequence in arithmetic progression now? These terms are in HP, that means 1 by 2, that is 1 by H1, 1 by H2, etc. 1 by H10. They are in arithmetic progression and here I write its value to be 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 3. Let capital D be the common difference of this progression, equal to common difference of this progression. Then 1 by H10 equal to 1 by H1 plus 9 times D, putting the values 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 2 plus 9D, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 equal to 9D. Simplify to get the value of D as minus 1 by 54. Check the answer, D equal to minus 1 by 54. We need to find H7. H7 is given by 1 by H7 equal to 1 by H1 plus 6 times D, 1 by H1, 1 by 2 plus 6 times D is minus 1 by 54. Simplify, this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 9, it is 7 by 18. So, the value of 1 by H7 is 7 by 18. So, H7 equal to 18 by 7. We have the value of A4 and H7. I'll do the calculations here. We need to calculate A4 into H7. Put the values. What is A4? We calculated its value to be 7 by 3 into H7. We have 18 by 7. Simplify to get the answer as 6. See which option is correct? Option A. It's a simple question based on the concept of harmonic progression. Let us proceed to the next question. Question is there on the board. A1, A2, etc. An are in HP. We need to find the value of A1, A2, A2, A3 plus etc. An minus 1, An. Look, nothing else is given except this. A1, A2, etc. are in HP. Let's see how to solve this. A1, A2, etc. An are in harmonic progression. From the definition we know, if these terms are in harmonic progression, their reciprocals 1 by A1, 1 by A2, etc. 1 by An are in arithmetic progression. So we have a sequence which is in arithmetic progression. Suppose that the common difference of this progression, arithmetic progression, be D. Then what do we get? 1 by A2 minus 1 by A1. This is D equal to 1 by A3 minus 1 by A2 equal to 1 by A4 minus 1 by A3 equal to etc. 1 by An minus 1 by An minus 1 equal to D. Let us simplify further. A1 minus A2 divided by A1 A2, A2 minus A3 divided by A2 A3 equal to A3 minus A4 divided by A3 A4 equal to etc. An minus 1 minus An divided by An minus 1 equal to D. Simplify it further. What will be the value of A1 minus A2? A1 minus A2 equal to D times A1 A2. Similarly, A2 minus A3 will be D times A2 A3. A3 minus A4 equal to D times A3 A4, etc. An minus 1 minus An equal to D times An minus 1. We have a set of equations from which we have to find the value of A1 A2 plus A2 A3 plus A3 A4 etc. An minus 1. I am going to add these equations. देखो बेटे terms कैसे cancel हो रहे? Like this. What will be left on LHS? A1 minus An equal to D times A1 A2 plus A2 A3 plus A3 A4 plus etc. plus An minus 1. An minus 1. What is the value of A1 A2 plus A2 A3 plus etc. An minus 1 from this equation? A1 minus An divided by D. A1 minus An divided by D. D is not given in the question. D we have introduced. So we have to eliminate D. Let us find the value of common difference D in terms of A1 and An. A1 by An is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. So 1 by An equal to 1 by A1 plus n minus 1 into D, or 1 by An minus 1 by A1 equal to n minus 1 into D, simplifying A1 minus An divided by A1 into An equal to n minus 1 into D. So the value of D is what? A1 minus An divided by A1 into An into n minus 1. Put the value over here. A1 minus An divided by D is A1 minus An divided by, it goes to the numerator, A1 An into n minus 1. It cancels out to get the value of A1 A2 plus A2 A3 plus etc. An minus 1 as A1 An into n minus 1. We have eliminated D. See which option is correct? N minus 1 into A1 into An, that is option C. Is that clear to you? Let us proceed to the next question. Question is written on the board. Very simple question. A1, A2 are two arithmetic means between A and B. That means A and B के बीच में two arithmetic means A1 and A2. So these two arithmetic means together with the numbers AB, they are in arithmetic progression. Again, G1 and G2 are two geometric means between A and B. So G1, G2 together with these numbers AB, they form a geometric progression. H1 and H2 are two harmonic means between A and B. So they form a harmonic progression. What do you mean by these terms are in AP? A, A1, A2, B are in AP. We can write A1 plus A2 equal to A plus B. Some of the terms equidistant from beginning and end. What G1, G2 will be? Product G1, G2 equal to A into B. We have to find the value of G1, G2 by H1, H2 into H1 plus H2 divided by A1 plus A2. Putting the values, G1, G2 is AB divided by A1 plus A2, it is A plus B into, look, H1 plus H2 divided by H2 into H1. I'm going to write it like this, AB by A plus B into 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2. 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2. It is AB by A plus B into. Can you say what is 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2? A, H1, H2, B are in HP. So 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by B, they are in arithmetic progression. So 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 will be 1 by A plus 1 by B. Simplifying, AB by A plus B into A plus B divided by AB gives you the answer 1. So the value of G1, G2 by H1, H2 into H1 plus H2 by A1 plus A2 is coming out to be 1. Option A is correct. It's a simple question based on the concepts of arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Let us proceed to the next question. Question number 4 on the module, solved example 4. Read the question once. 9 arithmetic means and 9 harmonic means are inserted between 2 and 3. 2. Let the arithmetic means be A1, A2, etc. A9. 9 arithmetic means are there between 2 and 3. So these arithmetic means together with 2, 3, they are in arithmetic progression. Again given, between the same numbers 2 and 3, 9 harmonic means are inserted. So let H1, H2, etc. H9 are the harmonic means. So these numbers together with 2, 3, they are in harmonic progression. We have to find the value of A plus 6 by H if A is any of the arithmetic means and H is the corresponding harmonic mean. Let's simplify it. Let D be the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Then which term is 3? 9, 10 and 11th term. So 2 plus 10D is 3. From here get the value of D. D is coming out to be 1 by 10 for the arithmetic progression. Let us find a general arithmetic mean from here. I'll find AI. Instead of finding separately A1, A2, etc., I am going to find the ith arithmetic mean AI. AI is given by, what's the formula? A plus I times D. A is 2. 2 plus I times, the common difference is coming out to be 1 by 10. So this equal to 2 plus I by 10, which is the ith arithmetic mean. If you put I equal to 1, you will be getting A1, I equal to 2, A2, etc. I equal to 9, you will be getting AN. So this is the general formula for ith arithmetic mean AI. Similarly, let's find the corresponding harmonic mean. These terms are in HP, 1 by 2, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, etc. 1 by H9, 1 by 3. They are in arithmetic progression. Let D be the common difference, capital D. So here 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 2 plus 10 times D. Solve for D. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 equal to 10D. From here we get the value of D to be minus 1 by 60. Now let us find HI. 1 by HI equal to 1 by 2 plus I times D is 1 by 2 plus I times minus 1 by 60. Look, here we need the value of 6 by H. So 6 by HI is equal to, multiply throughout by 6 to get 3 plus I times minus 1 by 10. So 6 by HI equal to 3 minus I by 10. So now we have these two values, AI equal to 2 plus I by 10, where I equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9, and HIs are given by 6 by HI equal to 3 minus I by 10, where I equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9. Let's read the question once. निकालना क्या है? You have to find the value of A plus 6 by H, where A is any one of the arithmetic means and H is the corresponding harmonic mean. तो मैंने सारे values calculate नहीं किया. I've calculated a general arithmetic mean, that is AI, and then HI is given by this formula. Let us find the sum of these. We get AI plus 6 by HI equal to 5, where I equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9. When you put I equal to 1, you will get A1 plus 6 by H1, etc. So we have proved a general result. That means the value of A plus 6 by H is given by 5. Check which option is correct. Option A. I hope it is clear. Shall we proceed to the next one? Fifth question. H1, H2, etc. H20 are 20 harmonic means between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, harmonic means H1, H2, etc. H20. So these terms are in harmonic progression. These terms are in harmonic progression, that means their reciprocals 1 by 2, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, etc. 1 by H20 and 1 by 3 are in arithmetic progression. Let us find common difference of this arithmetic progression. D is given by, what's the formula? Final 1 by 3 B minus A divided by n plus 1, 1 more than the number of means inserted, that is 20 plus 1. It is equal to 2 minus 3 divided by 6 into 21, which is minus 1 by 6 into 21. This is common difference of the arithmetic progression. We have to calculate the value of H1 plus 2 divided by H1 minus 2 plus H20 plus 3 divided by H20 minus 3. What I am going to do is, the first term, I am going to divide numerator and denominator by twice of H1, only the first term. So what do we get? 1 by 2 plus 1 by H1 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by H1. Similarly, divide numerator and denominator of the second term by thrice of H20 to get 1 by 3 plus 1 by H20 divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by H20. Let us do the calculations here. 1 by 2 plus, अब मुझे बताओ what is 1 by H1? 1 by H1 is second term of this progression, so we can write it as 1 by 2 plus D, denominator 1 by 2 minus 1 by H1 minus 1 by 2 minus D, plus next term 1 by 3 plus 1 by H20. 1 by H20 is the second last term of this progression, so I can write 1 by H20 as 1 by 3 minus D. देखो बेटे इसमें when you reverse the progression 1 by 3 minus D, it is 1 by H20, denominator 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus D. Calculations 1 plus D divided by minus D plus 2 by 3 minus D divided by D, which is minus 1 by D minus 1 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by D minus 1. Let us collect the terms in D now. 1 by D into what we get? 2 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, it becomes minus 2. 1 by D, D is given by this, so minus 6 into 21 into 2 by 3 minus 1 minus 2, simplification, do on your own, you get it as 42 minus 2, which is equal to 40. So the value of H1 plus 2 divided by H1 minus 2 plus H20 plus 3 divided by H20 minus 3, the value which you have to calculate is coming out to be 40, that is option C is correct. इसमें बस this step, you know, when you reverse the progression, first term will be 1 by 3 and common difference, जो original sequence का D है तो reverse progression, it will be minus D. This concept we have applied here to get the value of 1 by H20. Clear, bete? I hope all the concepts and questions which we have discussed today are clear to you. Do the solved examples and the practice questions. Any problem, come back to us. Thank you.